And let's get a check of the forecast now. Joining us, Storm Team 6 meteorologist Matt Condon. And it is stuffy and hot for the kids that are maybe in summer camp today.
Yeah.
Oof, they're going to be sweating.
I mean, temperatures are going to climb to around 90 this afternoon, but it shouldn't be as hot and humid as what we saw the end of last week. Last week, it felt like 105 in spots. This week, it's going to feel closer to our actual air temperature in the upper 90s. So it is going to be hot and humid if you are headed to downtown Knoxville for the World Cup watch party this evening. Team USA kicks off at 8 o'clock Eastern, and we'll be in the low 80s at that point. Watching for a chance for a few thunderstorms, though. Storms should fire up through the late afternoon into this evening, first over the higher elevations and then move into the valley. Right now, we are dealing with some sunshine in Knoxville. The cloud deck from earlier this morning is breaking apart, but it will fill back in through this evening. A tropical feel in place already across the area. Of course, that'll make it feel warmer. 75 currently in Knoxville, 73 in Newport and in Spring City. We're at 74 in Wartburg. Now, we will climb into the mid-80s by midday. Highs will be near 90 with some scattered showers and thunderstorms around through the afternoon and evening. So not a washout, but there will be some soggy conditions for the afternoon. We're dry right now, dealing with a mix of sun and clouds. Past midday, thinking more so around 2-3 o'clock, you can see some of these thunderstorms developing in the mountains. We'll watch the plateau for development as well. So initially, the higher elevations see storms. A few of these drift through the valley as we head through the evening into the early part of tonight, and then we will start to see rain chances decrease as we really get later into the night through the overnight hours. So some scattered showers and thunderstorms around for the afternoon and into the evening. Now, a few of these storms can be slow movers and produce a lot of rain in a fairly short amount of time. There is a low flood threat. Mainly, I'll be watching for low-lying flood-prone areas for the threat for some high water as we head into tonight. So no widespread flooding, a low risk overall. We'll climb into the upper 80s and low 90s today, which is pretty typical for this time of year. Heat index values should peak in the mid to upper 90s this afternoon, so it will be hot and humid. We fall back into the 60s and 70s tonight, and if you see storms this afternoon, there's a good chance you'll see some patchy fog first thing tomorrow morning. Could slow you down on your Tuesday morning commute. For the next several days, we really rinse and repeat the pattern. Scattered showers and storms on Tuesday, additional storms Wednesday and Thursday. Those 2 days may feature the lowest rainfall coverage, though, for the week. Moisture is pretty high today and again tomorrow. You can see the bright reds and oranges indicating high moisture content in the atmosphere. Moisture will decrease middle of the week, hence why I think we may have at least lower coverage of rainfall, not completely dry, but then some deeper moisture rotates back in by Friday. So moisture levels increasing late week will also increase the chance for some rain. So we will see some scattered showers and thunderstorms around for the afternoon and evening today. Same story for Tuesday. Slightly less rain Wednesday and Thursday, but not completely dry. Into the weekend, once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be around. So really, it's a daily opportunity for rain, but no day is a washout. Pretty typical temperatures for this time of year as well. That's also not really changing throughout the week. Upper 80s and low 90s for highs. Notice our mornings will be pretty mild and muggy as well. We'll be in the low 70s, and it does look pretty soggy for today. A slight break from the rain middle of the week before rain chances increase again heading into the weekend. Stay with us. We'll be right back after this quick break.